Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of the efforts of a student from one school which has impacted others from another school. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
Seeing a need and wanting to make a change. It's the reason behind a project aimed at training high school students who are preparing for the job market. 14 students from the Rhodes Hall High School in Orange Bay, Negril are now licensed lifeguards after undergoing 23 weeks of rigorous training. It is the brainchild of Anicia Smith.
I started swimming when I was 5 years old, and my parents are in the tourism industry. So growing up, I constantly heard of them needing lifeguards. So I decided to get in contact with my coach and get funding from TEF to start a program to teach students from Rhodes Hall High School how to swim so they could then get their lifeguard certifications.
However, Anicia is from another school.
I go to Mount Alvernia High School, and I've constantly heard my friends saying that although they want to go to college, they don't have the funds for that. So I started thinking that if us at Mount Alvernia have problems with that, then schools such as Rhodes Hall High School would have students that struggle with finding funds to move on to tertiary educations.
Principal Bernadette Deans says that she was excited when Anicia approached her with the idea, as it was in line with her vision for the school.
There would have been one of two of them who sometimes would have been not coming to school as regularly as we would have hoped, but with them being a part of this program, I have seen major improvement in both attendance, achievement, academical achievement, and general citizenry.
We had to have determination and resilience because most of the times our fitness was not at the standard, and I must say that at the end of the program we did persevere.
I plan to get in a very esteemed hotel that can even teach me more about what it's like saving lives.
Ms. Dean is encouraging other schools to invest in similar projects aimed at helping students gain meaningful employment after they graduate.
We would have acquired for ourselves a skill that we can earn mega bucks from. So why don't others, and why would others not want to become a part of this magnificent program? They are flag bearers for others who may want to go the informal way of earning a living.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.